This right there is a ridiculously priced headlight. This is the HID headlight, or I should say LED headlight, off the 2022 BMW R1250 GSA. It adjusts up and down. I don't think it goes left or right. Well, I know it doesn't go left or right, but it does adjust for height. It is very bright. It is very good. It's very, very expensive, and you can't get it anymore. 2023, they're announcing they're not shipping them. They're giving you a credit, I believe, for it. You cannot order it no matter what you try. So what the hell am I going to do if this thing breaks? You know, a lot of the adventure bike riders, they ride behind people on dirt, rocks, fire roads, all kinds of trails, and it could easily break. So you got to put some kind of protection on it if you're going to do that. I'm kind of a lone rider, so I don't know what the hell I bought it for, but I got it. So let's take a look at it. It showed up today, and we'll see what's going on. Well, it definitely comes in a really fancy box. Nice pattern matching the BMW's light pattern. Also, notice it's orange. The orange matches the turn signals color-wise, and daytime running lights, I believe, that are on that BMW. So it's probably a dead match, but we'll test that out. All right, so somebody's good at marketing because the box is pretty fancy. Anyway, there's a lot of these knockoffs on Amazon, and I didn't order any of those because I don't like knockoffs. But let's take a look at the quality of this thing, and maybe we'll order a knockoff and compare it. Well, the quality is definitely good. It's a little on the heavy side, quite substantial as you could see. And let's see if it matches the beam pattern on the bike, which I'm probably sure it probably does. The color seems spot on. So yeah, I'd say it's pretty close to dead on. Looks like it's got swing tabs right there. Traditional ball mounting tabs on each corner. Looks like you could take it all apart. You guys have seen videos on this before. Everything there looks good. I don't have anything negative to say about this. Let's delve in deeper. And with all marketing, a box of junk. Decals, something else in there, black. I have no idea what that is. And keychain for Lone Rider. Looks like they gave you another X for clear in case you're not allowed to run the colored one. And let's take a look at the brackets. All right, here's the bracket. I mean, everything is powder coated, and it's powder coated nice. Oh, the bolts are actually, look at that. The nuts are actually put in there and solidly in. Man, that's going to make it a lot easier to put this on. I got to tell you guys, so far, this is really nice. I've had both TourTech Clear and the screen, and those were great products, but this really looks like it might be a step above it so far. So the Lone Rider headlight. Let's see what this bad boy looks like, if it lines up or what. Ooh, it lines up. Look at that. That was cool. Okay, how's the color match? It looks pretty damn close. The camera's not really picking it up right, but it's definitely very close. So yeah, thumbs up, Lone Rider. But I gotta be honest with you guys. I put it together. It's not hard to put together. People make a big deal out of it, but they're wrong. They just don't know what they're doing. If you just move this bodywork that's down here apart, just move it out a little bit, there and over here, just move it away. These things fit right in without any difficulty whatsoever. The nuts are pre-installed now on the bottom here, and it makes this whole job a piece of cake. My thoughts are, it's a nice unit. It says China all over it to me. I believe that's where they had it made. It's very nice quality. No question about it, but is it up to the TourTech? I think the TourTech is probably a little better, But this is nice. This is very nice. So that's my honest opinion of Lone Rider. And I don't know if I had to say this or not, but I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm just a guy that likes nice things, just like you guys. Take care.